Hello and welcome to WendBooks Solutions. Today we're going to talk about customer transactions, invoices, quotations, sales orders, received payments, etc. Now, just move to customers, then customer center, and again the customers are on your left hand side. So at the top you see quotations, sales orders, invoice, and other related items. Now, the easiest way is to go through quotations first. So I just click quotations. I choose my customer or use the search button here to type and search for anything. Okay, so this will be my client. Remember, if you have a root client and a child, never make a transaction on the root customer, always on the child. Okay, so I just choose my client, date, okay, purchase or take care of, just type whatever you want. This quotation is valid until predefined date. Now those the rep and payment terms and the due date are not accessible because are automatically coming up from the customer settings. So if I just move to a customer, and here are the settings that I can set for the payment terms, credit limit, rep, and all this kind of stuff. So just moving back to quotations, add line and select the first item. Now if you don't know how to, if you don't have any items, if you don't know how to set up items, then you can refer to the set up items section in another video tutorial. So first of all I have to select an item. Okay, I can change the description. I can choose the quantity here, let's say 5. I can also choose the warehouse, where to get it from, and in here I can see that in the main store I have -10 in hand, so my stock is wrong actually. Okay, so unit cost, if has been set up on the item, it comes up automatically. Let me just quickly find something that has a unit cost. Okay, for example, we are giving a quotation for this toner. I need 5 of those, and we pick it up from this warehouse. Okay, this is the unit cost coming from the item setup, but I can change that at runtime, so let's just make it 60. Okay, this is the default unit markup, so totally this is the amount. What I can do here is that I can choose to change the rate, for example 100 euros each. I can choose to change the markup. I want only 30% profit. I can choose to have a discount price, let's say 10% discount, or a discount, fixed discount amount. Pay attention at the bottom where you see the subtotal of everything, tax amount, total amount. But you also see the total cost and the profit actually out of this quotation, so it's 51 euros profit. Remember that if you are going to use the discount percentage here, you need to choose this template where we'll print the discount, the 2 discount columns. Otherwise you may want to, if you don't want to use these discount columns, okay, and you may want to use the discount found as item in your item list. So we have a total discount of 10 euros. Okay, So you don't need, you just go with the normal template, since you don't use those two columns, the discount percentage and discount amount. So just give it a message. You may add as many items as you want. Remember that you can choose between service or of different item types, service, discount, stock part. Okay. If you have no idea what you're looking for, or you don't know the code, simply click the search button here and just type, for example, 150 from the description. This will search everywhere. Found this on description. Double click and here you go. Now you can save this quotation, and you can actually print it or email it. You click print. Okay, here it is. This is the layout of your quotation. You see that we have choose the normal quotation. We didn't use the discount percentage, discount amount, so the normal quotation is fine here. The discount appears at the bottom as an item, at the second line as an item. Now if we decide to, let's say, delete this line, and if we decide to use this discount percentage or discount amount here and 10% here, and we have to choose this template. So when printing or emailing it, let's just print. Okay, we've got these two columns here as well. So what else you can do with this quotation? You can email it. You can set up different templates of email templates from the administration preferences. And then message templates. You can choose quotation, and then you can set up as many templates as you want. If you don't know how, then watch the setting email templates video tutorial for further information. You can actually duplicate this quotation if you want to start a new one by copying the contents from another one. You can also mark it as to be printed or to be mailed. Then you can batch print or batch email this quotation from the administration, from the financial tab here, batch print or batch email transaction. Okay, this will collect all quotations together to print them later or to be emailed later. You also see the journal entry. Of course, the quotation is not an accounting transaction. Then you've got the sales order and the invoice, and also the recurring transaction, where you can convert this quotation to a sales order automatically or to an invoice, or set it up as a recurring transaction. It's really useful when handling annual fees or maintenances or something like that. Now, apart this, while dealing with the quotation, you've got this slide bar here where you can open. And the first thing is that you see the profile details of your supplier, or notes or documents. Okay, and how do we handle these all these quotations then? Suppose I want to see all my open quotations. If I click refresh, of course the quotation will appear here. Okay, but if I want to see all open quotations, then I can move to transactions, quotations, all dates, and here are all the open quotations. Now if a quotation, let's say that this quotation is not I repeat, is not awarded, has been rejected by the client. So if I want to cancel it very easily, I can edit this quotation, click is closed. I can also type some information why this quotation is closed here, the notes. Client found it expensive. Okay, save, and quotation is being recorded as manually closed. So we're coming up here, disappears from the open quotations, but I can always find it if I just go to all. Okay, it's here, all, show me the manually closed, those all the not awarded quotations. Now client changed his mind, so double click to open again, and then it's not closed, save, and I want to convert it to a sales order. So just click sales order. So quotation has been converted to a sales order, and when I save the sales order and move back to the customer center, click refresh, the quotation is on the awarded section. So if the quotation is converted to a sales order or invoice, then it's marked as awarded, so you can find it in the awarded section. If the quotation is marked as closed, then again the quotation is closed, and you can find it in the manually closed. So this is a nice way to track of your quotations and the performance of your business as far as the quotations is concerned. Okay, that's all about the quotations. Thank you for watching.